So we're gonna do a quick oil change here on our 2012 Honda Civic. As you can see, that's the part number for the oil filter. I've been using OEM ones. It's sealed, brand new, same as my oil 0W20, the one that I've been using, and full synthetic. Even though it's full synthetic, I still change it for 5,000 kilometers every 5K. So I will just show you how many kilometers I accumulated before I change this oil. It's just a future reference on how I take care of this car. As you can see here, we hit 5,000 and the original kilometers is 228 anyway, 228,000 kilometers. Don't want to stress that out, so yeah, we'll go ahead and reset this one and shut it off, and we'll begin. So as you guys can see, I already loosened it up. I also released the pressure here. I loosen this cap up, make it loose so pressure will go down pretty fast. I prepare my performance, whatever you call it, anyway, and we're ready. Loosen up this bolt. Already worked it out earlier, as you can see, including the engine oil filter, and we'll begin first with the engine oil filter. Just making sure that it's lined up correctly and perfectly. There she goes. Synthetic Valvoline 0W20 at 5,000 kilometers. And I'll let it drip for a little bit. So as you guys can see, this part is finally done dripping. Now I'm gonna go ahead and begin with the drain plug bolt. And just like that, we're dripping oil. Come back again on putting this back and cleaning it off, and also for putting a new engine oil. Same with the engine oil filter. So as you guys can see, this looks brand new if the camera will focus. I just clean it off, cleans up pretty good. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this back. Still dripping a little bit, but that is fine. There you go. I open my flashlight here so you can have a better view. clean. No complaints. And so now I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my engine oil filter. Make sure this is lube. So also the O-ring part, so you will avoid leakage in the future. And let's go ahead and open this. Again, it's 0W20. And let's pour some on out. Just want to make sure that this is pretty wet. And get a little bit of oil here on the O-ring, so you prevent any O-ring damage in the future. You don't want any leaks going on in the O-ring. So it's nice and lube. It's my dirty rag. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this on the car. There you go. Let's open the flashlight on this. Hard to do this with one hand on the camera. There you go. Finally. There she goes. Let's just torque it a little bit here. Make sure it's nice and snug. Same with the engine oil, drain plug bolt. I'll just go torque it out and we should be good. Nice and snug. Now let's grab my thing here. So nowadays they got this socket for the engine oil filter. So just torque it minimally. Don't wanna wreck the whole thing. Should be good here. Yep, that should be good. And double check this guy here. If it is tight. Now it's tight. Time to put the oil. And again, just a future reference here, W20. And there you have it. A little bit more.